What's up everybody? It's time for a fresh new unboxing of Dollar Shave Club starter set. I ordered one of these myself and I'm gonna walk you through how to get yours and what you can expect inside the box. I'm excited about this one, so let's dive right into it. So guys, to order yours, just head over to dollarshaveclub.com, click on how it works, and then click on try the club. And then make sure you uncheck the shower option. This way you're gonna get the same exact kit that I'm unboxing for you today. So guys, something I want to point out is as soon as you get this order, start trying the products as soon as you can. Not just because it's exciting, you get something in the mail, but you want to see if you really like these products. Notice the restocking order and its date. You can adjust this at any time, but if you don't change anything, this order is going to ship 2 weeks later. And now we get a rundown of what we'll get in the ultimate starter set. We're going to get Dr. Carver's shave butter. We're going to get their pre-scrub, some post-shave dew, 4 executive 6-blade cartridges, and the executive handle itself. And here we have the box itself that it comes in. Now, if you're like me, you're probably like, well, that's kind of small, right? And I felt the same way. And it's worth pointing out, when you set up this online, there are travel sizes essentially. It's a trial size of all these items. So it's about 1 ounce each. Because to be honest, I got this thing and I'm like, is there another one on the way? Is it like a 2-box shipment kind of thing? I opened it up and it just felt like everything was just thrown into a box. I mean, yeah, I got all the contents and nothing was damaged, but I felt like maybe a little bit of a presentation, like form-fitting in the box, you know, everything has a place. That could have been a little better. We have this. What was this gonna do, Dollar Shave Club? Is this packing material? So I feel like any kind of subscription service that you get a box in the mail, you're always gonna get some literature, some sales material inside of it, and Dollar Shave Club is no different. Dr. Carver shave butter, this stuff applies practically clear. Now it comes out of the tube with like this white appearance to it, but when you put it on, it's clear. And this stuff is designed to go on about 15 seconds prior to you shaving. So, they are smart. A little bit of foil there, covering it up. That way it doesn't squeeze out all over the place and explode during transit. Here's the pre-scrub. Like I said, these are like travel sizes, right? So you're gonna wanna scrub this in. It's meant to stand the hair up so that way you get a closer shave, and it also exfoliates your skin. But what's exfoliate mean? Oh, okay. So the pre-scrub with this stuff too, again, I think every one of them is gonna have this on here, which, you know what, I don't mind. Has like this almost like sandy kind of look and almost feel to it. That smells nice. I actually kind of like that. Light, refreshing, I like it. The post-shave dew. That comes out real easy, guys. Careful, I could see us just all of it out. The post-shave dew. Guys, this is the cherry on top. This is the final touch. This rehydrates your skin, it reinvigorates it, it helps soothe it, especially if it might be irritated after shaving. So here are your executive cartridges. There's 4 of these bad boys in here. Each one of these has 6 blades and a precision trimmer. Dollar Shave Club is a little unique in how their blades attach to their handle, because the handle you reuse, the blades is what you replace. As you start to use these products, I can understand if, you know what, I really don't think that the pre-scrub is really benefiting me, or the post-shave do, I really don't think that works. Now, the pre-scrub, I can argue with whether that's going to be for you or not, whether you feel you need it. The post-shave do, the same thing. But if you don't think the post-shave do does any benefit, use it for a month and then stop. You'll notice a difference. Now, if you think the cost is worth the result, that's a different argument. If you're looking for high quality razors that aren't going to break the bank and that are good for head shaving, don't overlook Dollar Shave Club and don't overlook the Executive. So guys, everyone comment down below if you're going to give Dollar Shave Club's Ultimate Starter Set a try, or if you knew what exfoliate meant. Thanks so much, and until the next time.